All right, guys. So in this hopefully very short video, my videos are usually long. This one, I hope to keep it short. I want to compare two emails that I got from probably India's biggest brands in the space of food delivery, which are Zomato and Swiggy. I got emails on Father's Day, which is June 21st. I got two emails, one from Zomato, one from Swiggy, and there is certainly a lot of difference. There is certainly a lot of contrast in the way the both of these brands are approaching email. And so I just thought of doing some analysis, seeing which brand is doing what and who is actually better. So if you have to compare or if you have to evaluate the email marketing of Zomato and Swiggy, which one is doing better is today's agenda. So as always, I will now share my screen, and first I think I'm going to take you to the email that I got from Zomato. All right. So Zomato says, so the subject says your dad's favorite dish is dot dot dot. Okay, that's fine. Then Zomato says it's biryani, isn't it? That's our best guess because you're his favorite, and he always says, "Let's have whatever you like," putting your wishes before his. I am not sure about this line. Separately saying putting your wishes before his. Not sure. Your dad's favorite dish is biryani, isn't it? That's our best guess because you are his favorite, and he always says, "Let's have whatever you like." I don't know. I mean, I leave it up to you. I'm neutral about this line. I'm inclined to say it's not great, but yeah, it's. I leave it up to you. Well, today is his day, and if you ask him what he wants, he'll say nothing, just like always. So save that time by. So I think there needs to be a comma here. So save that time by ordering your family's favorite and spend time with him. That for him is everything. Ask him to tell you his favorite joke. Listen to his childhood stories. Help him out with his phone issues. Pitch in with the course on. Is it chores or course? I'll say course, or chores. Pitch in with the chores on his Sunday to-do list. Promise him you'll make that investment he keeps talking about. Tell him you love him. I wouldn't say there's anything fundamentally wrong in the last sentences. These ask him, and tell him. I just don't know how impactful they are. Like, are they making the impact that Zomato's copywriter wants them to make? Is something that I am not sure about. And again, I could be horribly wrong. In these tear down videos, I think I'm always at the risk of being proven wrong, but I personally don't quite connect with this. Like, how is this changing me as a person when I read this email? I don't know. And then there is this image, which is cool. Zomato is always cool with their design. And then there is an order now button. Okay. So all of this was to get me to order food from Zomato. Okay. And then say, be your dad's hero for a change. Big fan of those dad jokes, Zomato. Okay. So this is what Zomato had to say. Now, if you go to Swiggy, Swiggy's email is much lengthier. It says a shortcut, and the cut is scratch. So a short cake to your dad's heart, which is quite clever. And then Swiggy says every father has his own style. This father did treat him to something that matches his. He's treated you to nothing but the best all his life. Today on Father's Day, you can do the same in the form of our special Father's Day cake and desserts. Because no matter how tough he may seem on the outside, we all know he's a big softy on the inside. So here is to all the big softies out there. Here is to all the dads. Okay. The money doesn't grow on trees, dad. So now what they have done is they've described the different types of dads. So the first step is the money doesn't grow on trees, and then they will say something which is typical, or which is a typical characteristic of that dad, or which is a typical thing that that particular dad will say. रुपीज 500 का पिज्जा हमारे जमाने में तो हम रोटी एंड सॉस से ही काम चला लेते थे, and we recommend the classic vanilla sponge cake because this sponge cake apparently is lighter on the pocket. So what they have done is they've taken these dad stereotypes and assigned food to all of them. So there is this, the money doesn't grow on trees dad, to which you're suggesting something which is, not very expensive. Then there is the Be Like Sharmaji Ka Beta dad, who says that who's very concerned about the sanitizers. I guess. No, he's very concerned. He's very hard to please, and that's why you give him a chocolate truffle cake, which apparently can leave even the hardest to please dad satisfied. The tech challenge dad, and they are saying that for a dad who is struggling with technology, there's a black forest cake, a retro treat from the days when life was simple and apple was just a fruit. So I think it's clever. Again, if you come down, the dad jokes dad, say Sodium's favorite movie, Main Hoon Na. I don't think I've ever heard a dad say this story, but yeah. And then there is the blueberry cheesecake because they wanted to connect something cheesy to it. I I don't know. Do you find this clever? Let me know. Again, I'm trying hard to be impartial and objective with my judgments. It's Is it witty? Yes. In terms of connecting food with the topic of the Father's Day, perhaps. But what the question is, what is this email trying to do? It's again, trying to get me to place an order, and also it's saying, describe, it's also asking me to take part in this Father's Day with Swiggy contest, I believe, and will recommend a dessert for him. So yes, in terms of being witty, I would give it 10 on 10, maybe 8 on 10. But in terms of being effective, I'm not so sure. My fundamental questions to both of these brands is, what is this brand trying to accomplish with the email? And if the answer is that we are only trying to get new orders with every email that we send, then I am a little disappointed, because I don't think that every email should be, the call to action should be to take them to the website to order. All right, but as far as Zomato versus Swiggy debate is concerned, I think Swiggy is at the top. Swiggy is definitely better than Zomato at this moment in terms of their email marketing. So sorry, Zomato, I love you guys, and Swiggy, I love you guys as well. But yeah, I do believe that Swiggy's email is better. So that's my honest feedback. But how could both of these brands do things better? So here are a couple of questions. Okay, I don't have suggestions. Here are a couple of questions. The first question is, what is this email for? What are you trying to optimize? Can there be empathy in this email? Can you, rather than sending every email which redirects the customer or the reader to your website, can you just provide engagement emails? Can you just provide emails where you provide information, where you engage, where you tell jokes? What is the mission and the vision of both the brands? I couldn't find a mission or vision statement. Perhaps my Google skills are bad, but I couldn't find a very specific mission and vision statement which differentiates the two brands. And yeah, so not every email has to be a transactional goal oriented email. That's point number one. Point number two is, can there be segmentation? Can you send specific emails to specific? I think I got disconnected, but yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, I was basically saying that you will have the database using which you can obviously segment people into different categories. So for example, there is someone who loves Chinese, and there is someone who loves Italian, and then there is someone who loves North Indian. Can you have different approaches for different segments, other than instead of sending one email blast to everyone? Will that help you? That's the second question to ponder on. Yeah, I guess these are the two questions to ponder on. One is that, does every email have to be optimized for sales or orders, food orders? And second question is, can there be segmentation to have personalized experiences for people? And with that, I'll wrap up my video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm making a mistake in my videos. Let me know if I'm not making sense, and where you disagree with what do you disagree with me on, in the comments. Thanks.